Hey everyone, welcome back to Programming with Mike. In today's video, we are going to talk about relational operators in C, what they are, how they work, and how you can use them in your programs. These operators allow us to compare values, which is essential for decision making in C. By the end of this video, you'll be able to write conditional statements with confidence. Let's get started. Relational operators are used to compare two values and return either true, a 1, or a false, a 0. They are mostly used in conditions like if statements and loops, which we'll talk about in future videos. Let's dive into the code. So, as usual, we have our main function. In this case, we have two integers, a, which is 10, and b, which is 5. First, we have the equal to operator that evaluates if the two values are equal. It returns 1 if they are equal and 0 otherwise. In this case, since a is different from b, it will return 0 since they are not equal. On the other hand, we have the not equal to operator, which in this case will return true since a and b are different. If we run the code, we can see this in action. First, we have to compile our program with GCC. Let's do so like this and run our program. We can see that a equals b returns 0 since a and b are not equal, and a different from b returns true since they are indeed different. Then we have the greater than and less than operators. Greater than works as you expect. In this case, since a is greater than b, it will return true, a 1. And since a is not less than b, it will return a 0. We can see this in action by running the code again. First, we have to recompile it and run it and see that a indeed is greater than b. Lastly, we have the greater than or equal to and the less than or equal to operators, which also work as you would expect. In this case, it will return 1 since a is greater than or equal to b. We can confirm this by running the code, by first recompiling it and running it, and see that indeed a is greater than or equal to b. If we changed our b value to 10 and recompile the program, we can see now that since a and b are equal, the less than or equal to operation also returns 1. So it works as we would expect. And that's it for today's video. On the next video, we'll use these relational operators in the if-else statements. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.